What's up, guys? Steve here again with Abandoned Car Revivals. It's about time I got started on this Buick motor swap project. We are going to take the motor out of that there Buick and put it into this here Buick that I just picked up. If you didn't see that video, it's kind of interesting. We went all the way to northern Alberta to grab this sucker, and she's a lot more solider than this one here that we found abandoned in the bush. So before I do this, the first thing I want to quickly do is throw on an oil pressure gauge and make sure the oil pressure is good on this motor, because I got to pull that out first and tidy it all up, see how the timing chain looks.
Oh, YouTube video.
Change some tires for his trailer. Anyway, find me a screwdriver. There we go. I got my key. My dad's a nice little Acura RSX. Thing's in pretty good shape. She's been in a couple wrecks, but still a good car. All right, we'll put you down here maybe. Tire thief.
Oh. Hey, it's payback time.
Anyway, right up there, I don't know if you can see that or not. Right up. I'm talking to the camera, Dad.
Okay.
Behind the oil filter.
Dang.
That's got to be the sensor there. There's nothing hooked up to it. So, maybe that's not the oil light on the dash. Idiot light anyways. We'll get that out of there. And we got this guy right here to put in. These are my fancy Amazon El Cheapo gauges. This one here is in kg, which is fine. It was cheaper, so we'll do the conversion once we get a reading. Anyway, yeah, I'll get this up in there, get her wired up, and then we'll turn the camera back on for the big reveal. Well, we got her off of there, unfortunately. It's a different size, so I've been going through all kinds of adapters, and man, you are noisy. We're gonna have to go hit the local auto parts depot, see if we can find a little adapter for that. Alright, well, we made a quick trip into town. Got a couple adapters here. This is gonna make it so I can use the idiot light and the gauge. Hopefully I can fit this in there. It's kind of up in behind that oil filter, but we'll get her on in and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so I don't know if we can get this camera in there close enough to really see, but trust me, it's in there. We got some wires on it. We're gonna ground it out right here on the timing cover. We're just gonna drop her down and finish wiring it, and we will check our oil pressure.
Nothing's happening.
Coming up at all?
No.
Nothing.
Nothing. That's not good.
So I did a little Googling kg to psi. You see here 1 kg is 14.2 psi and 2 kg would be 28. So we were getting almost all the way to 3 when I revved it, which is 42. So we're hanging right around the 1 at idle, and we didn't really let the engine get up to temp, but 14, I mean, I think that's a little lower than we want, but I'll have to double check the specs. She is a little rattly, I know, but at least now we know. I think I can go ahead and pull this motor on out of here and give her the old Craigslist rebuild. You know, maybe we'll pull the pan and check the pickup screen and stuff like that. Probably get into that timing cover and inspect the oil pump too. We might need a new mating surface. They sell those on the line for those, and maybe even some new springs for the oil pump or something to bump up the pressure. We'll look into that. But that will do for this portion of the video, and we'll crane her out of there in the next day or two, I think. Yeah.